Peacock Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Khana Khazana USA, New England region. We are very excited to bring you back to the show today with Aparna Krovi, Kitchen Tales with Aparna Krovi. She's an awesome cook and she really teaches us with great recipes. Welcome, Aparna.
Thank you, Shafali ji.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you और हमारे को बहुत excitement है आज नई एक अच्छी सी चटपटी recipe. I am very excited, looking forward to it. So tell me a little bit about this recipe.
So today I'm presenting you a dish. This is originally from Tibet and Nepal, the momos, but I'm bringing it to you as a fusion dish by adding the flavors of the very popular Indian gravy, butter masala. As you know, like there's no one who doesn't know about butter chicken or butter paneer masala. So I'm using that gravy and making this as a fusion dish. At the same time, I'm keeping it healthy friendly.
So tell me how it's healthy.
So I'm adding protein as a stuffing, and so I'm using tofu in the stuffing, and these are steam cooked, not deep fried, and the dough is made with whole wheat flour, not all-purpose flour, which mostly they use it when we eat out. So I'm using the nuts, healthy fats, so that's it's a whole package of
All
protein.
everything in one. Yeah. तो I mean recipe is sounding so exciting. Butter masala वो तो best होता है, मजा आता है, and plus momos, everything together. Tell me what was the motivation of this dish?
अगेन दिस इज लाइक आई थिंक क्वारंटीन पीरियड को इसमें रख के मैंने दिमाग में रख के बनाया क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर लॉक्ड आउट एट होम लॉक्ड इन एट होम एंड पूरा टाइम घर में बैठे रहते तो कुछ ना कुछ खाने का दिल करता है
Of course.
लाइक क्या खाना नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या बनाना है अभी and how to entertain the kids and we are missing eating out and we are missing the street food and we Indians have a huge craving for street foods and momos are very popular street food in and around India. So I thought why not make something exciting for kids and also make it as innovative and unique flavors so that it makes the dish more interesting for everyone and it's very Indian for Indian palate it's very satisfying.
No, it's a great. I mean, I think आजकल स्पेशली इस में व्हेन वी आर एट होम बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हम लोग सब ट्राई कर रहे हैं तो आपकी रेसिपी व्यूअर्स को बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी एंड दे ट्राई आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दे ट्राई तो अब ऐसा करें देर नहीं करें फट से ये रेसिपी देखें और आई एम सो एक्साइटेड सो अपर्णा लेट्स लुक एट द रेसिपी
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Tales with Aparna Krovi. Today I am going to show you all my version of making momos, which is a mix of both Tibetan and Indian flavors. These momos are drenched in the very popular butter masala gravy, which is silky smooth in texture and very rich in flavors. And the momos comes with a healthy stuffing of protein and fiber wrapped in a whole wheat flour disc that fulfills the complex carb requirement of your daily intake. Today I am using tofu in stuffing, but you can always use your choice of protein like paneer, chicken or any other thing in it. So let's get started with our recipe, and here are the ingredients. First let's have a look at the ingredients for the stuffing. Freshly chopped spinach, finely diced tofu, peas, finely chopped ginger and garlic, green chilies, some soy sauce and some hot chili sauce. Let's look at the ingredients for butter masala gravy. Tomatoes, onions, whole spices, kasuri methi, garlic pods, some cashews and almonds, butter, oil, some heavy cream and powder spices, salt, turmeric, chili powder and garam masala. Finally, we have some dough to make our momos. Since I want it to be healthy, I am using wheat flour dough, but you can always use all-purpose flour dough if that is what you prefer. Now let's start making our gravy. I want it to be time efficient, so I am using the pressure pan, but you can use the regular saucepan too. Add in some oil. Add the whole spices and let them sizzle. Add some garlic pods. Wait till the garlic is slightly golden and then add onions. Cook the onions till they turn translucent and then add your tomatoes. Add almonds and cashews as well. If you are allergic to these nuts, you can always replace or skip them. Close the lid and cook it up to 1 whistle. Once the pressure releases, grind it into a smooth paste. Let's make the stuffing now. Heat oil in a pan and add the tofu. Keep the heat on high and keep tossing so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Once it turns slightly golden brown, transfer onto a plate. Now add some oil into a pan and throw in some ginger and garlic. Now toss some peas. Wait till the peas are slightly cooked and then add your spinach. Add some salt and give it a mix. Wait till the spinach is cooked and then add some green chilies. Finally add your tofu. Give it a mix and then add your sauces. You can also add some crushed black pepper for a hint of spice. Combine well and transfer onto a plate. Now let's make our butter masala gravy. Heat butter in a pan and add our onion tomato gravy. Stir it and then add all the spices. Add some food color if you want to. Close the lid and let it simmer for a minute or two. Keep stirring and then add some heavy cream. Finally add some kasuri methi right before you turn the heat off. And now we are done. Now since our stuffing and gravy are ready, let's start rolling the dough and make our momos. Divide the dough into equal portions and start rolling the dough. Make sure to keep the center slightly thicker than the edges while rolling the dough. Place a portion of the stuffing in the center. Lift one side of the edge and start pleating to enclose the dumpling. Repeat the same process with the rest of your dough until you are done with your stuffing. To give a nice aesthetic look and pop of color, I am tying the momos with fresh spring onions. Now that our momos are ready, let's steam them. I don't have the bamboo steamer, so I am using the idli plates to steam them. I have greased these plates with oil Now I am going to keep them in these idli plates and put them on the steam. Steam them for about 10 to 12 minutes. The cooking time varies depending on the thickness of the momos. Looks like that our momos are cooked enough, so we can turn the heat off. Handle carefully while transferring the momos onto a plate. Since our momos and gravy are now ready, let's get into plating. As always, hope you enjoyed this episode of Kitchen Tales with Aparna Krovi. See you on the next one.
Thank you, Aparna. That was really, really yummy. Actually, जब देखा मतलब रुका ही नहीं जा रहा, मेरे को तो मन कर रहा है भाग के किचन में try that again. So butter masala and you know momos together, really, really exciting. जाने से पहले बताइए आपने try करा या नहीं था ये?
Yeah, of course मैंने try किया था.
Very nice. So I'm very excited.
Hardly got to eat only one. बच्चे ने
पूरा खा लिया. So that's really, really exciting, and the viewers are so excited about the show. We are really looking forward to the next recipe next week. And thank you so much. Hope you're staying safe and excited about the recipe next week.
Thank you, Shefali.
Thank you so much, and thank you from Khana Khazana USA. Bye bye.